Okay guys, I'm recording this real quick to inform you guys that we're not working on the Fury. We're working on 2001, the Dodge Pickup 3500. We're trying to make an off-road record to go to the record games this year. We're gonna try to get much as we can done. My dad's gonna be working on it on his channel. Go watch the videos on his Custom by J-Mac, because he does a lot more of the bigger metal work and stuff. Yeah, we're taking a break from the Fury. Might not be working on it for 1 to 2 months, so you're gonna see a lot more videos on the record this next few videos, next few weeks. Okay, we're gonna try pulling it now. Trying to get to the shop so we can see if we can get it to turn over at least.
It's cold. Oh, nice.
I'm opening the door real quick. Dang, that's right there.
Slim's in here chomping at the bit to see if it'll start. Let's go ahead and give her a crank and see if it cranks over. Does the exact same thing. The voltage dips now.
This is a second gen 3500 Dodge Ram. For like the last day and a half, we've been trying to get this to run. We changed computers and stuff. But over that time, this was wrong with it. Just this plug right here. And then we seen that the valve cover was loose. And we loosened all those bolts out. And see, it moves like this. And loosened it. There's antifreeze in the oil. So something wrong with the head gaskets or something wrong with it. So we got it to crank, but now we have to pull the cab and take that engine out. We got the cab lifted up enough we could take this off. I'm just gonna show you the antifreeze that's in there. A lot of antifreeze. See, you can see all the just water running off of here. It's all gooey. So that's why we're switching the engines, and then one day me and my dad will rebuild this and have it where it's running. This is a little, oh, that's just the gasket. Yeah, but a lot of antifreeze. I think there's more water than there is oil in it. You just push that and all the antifreeze just runs down the side of the rocker arms. Why did they make the engine so long? Why didn't they just do it like a Power Stroke so it has 4 pistons on each side instead of all 8 in one row?
Just straight 6.
No, all 6 in it.
When you put them in a line like that, you get a lot more torque. Is there any metallic in it? Like, take your fingers, go like that. Is there? No, now look at it. Is there shiny stuff?
You got me.
Your hands are so dirty you don't really tell.
Here. There's definitely metal chunks. You can feel them.
Well, it looks like it's got dirt in there. Dirtier than hell. Now, what are you doing with this?
Feeling this?
Give it pointed off into nothing. So did you get the wire off the transmission?
No.
Why?
Because I couldn't figure it out.
Well, I think that's the only thing. What about a e-brake cable? Did you see one of them down there?
Not that's stretched out at all.
What are you doing?
Seeing how much antifreeze is towards the back? Well, that one's just all antifreeze. There's no oil in that one. It's all antifreeze. Yeah, it would have been a good time trying to get that one started. Not when you're going down like the freaking pasture or anything. Right? Like, you can hit a little pothole in it, you won't really feel it, and then you hit a freaking little piece of dirt in the pasture. To the moon we go, senor. Oh yeah. Perfectly loose like it was. You always do this to me.
Does it help to make that face?
What? Yes. It's concentration, man.
You don't know what that is.
What?
Condensation.
I said concentration. You didn't say nothing about condensation. What the hell? Hopefully we'll see this one day. Running this engine. Will be anytime soon, that's for sure.
Industrial injection builds a stage 2 one of these engines at the long block costs $30,000. So no one's like, are you going to send it out and have them build you one? I'm like,
Now what do you gotta do?
unhook that wire to the transmission.
Can you go do that? I want to see this thing go.
It ain't gonna go.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna go.
How many RPMs do you want?
And they like freaking got it. Just like 10, just perfect.
What are you doing? Let's just not tonight. Oh, did you figure out it was a 13?
Yeah. Okay. We can, you can go under there and get that transmission as well.
Where are the other lights at? There should be 3 there and there's only 1.
She had one. No, there's still one under there. I think there's 2 under there, actually. There's 2 under there. There's 2 under there. You gave it to me before I went under. Oh, my goodness. My finger itches. Bad. Bad. Look at bubbly. What's holding this on?
What?
Yeah, huh? This is. Oh,
Where's the creeper at?
Right over that back there. You gotta slide under there. So much fun. Hit your head on so many things. Yeah, this VIN, it don't matter no more. So this VIN doesn't matter no more because these can. I'm telling you. Oh, you can't see. I don't need to show you guys that. Wrong one. Oh, that was good. The wheel tiny axle, no big axle. Ah. You can Bluetooth your tools? Customized tracking management, bruh. There's no way actually that they actually did that. They actually made something to track your tools. Pain. I know where 2 back duels are where we can take this thing for a rip when we get it done. I'm pretty sure they were driving to the Halo and I'm right here. I'll show you what's wrong with it. See how it's black in there? That's not good. That's all oil. That's no good. But the spinny thing's fun to play with. I'm gonna put that back down. Running across the Mexican border. Now, I'm gonna take the cab up and away. I'm gonna give camera there. Yeah. Are you ready? I see it. There's a wire right there. Hey, what's the wire? Oh, that too? There's a wire under there. Really tiny. Okay. Where's the light? Yeah, this is a pole. Is it ground? Or no? Yeah, it's long. You good? Good?
What the hell was that?
That was that shifter knob popping out. Did I take that bolt out of it? Took the bolt out of it and it just pulled out. Good?
Hey, he said no.
Oh. Thought you said go.
Yeah. When do you mean that shifter thing popped out?
That metal rock.
Where's your camera? There we go. We can go past that one, won't it? It's not just gonna fit. Try and squeeze them together.
Stops.
Here. Get it twisted up so you can get your screwdriver. Just grab a hold of it. You're gonna have all your tools and you can't use them. Did you see what that shift lever popped out? There's your screwdriver. Okay, now you gotta get these bent into where you can pull it out. I'll give you a little slack, I'll come down. You stay clear, I'm gonna come down, bro.
A little bit more. No, down.
Stop yelling at me.
Okay, right there. There's 3? Pull on it. You pull that? You were? I just about had it and then you let go and you took off. Pull it out. Hold it right. Well. Oh, well. brother from another mother. Sounds a little windy, just a little bit. Whoa. We need to pull it that way and down.
Get that back one.
Can't even get to the damn thing. Like anybody just make something.
I can't believe you're ruining that.
How am I ruining it?
How are you ruining it? Have you looked at it? It looks like a grease rag.
Pull.
You gotta get the back one. What are you doing?
I'm trying to turn it now. I got 2 of them out. I'm just trying to turn it where I get that up.
That's why I told you to get it first.
I can't get to it.
You don't need to turn it. Just stick the nose of that behind there and pry out. Now you just twisted it back in. Why don't you listen to me? Get that back one first.
I'm not like.
You're not listening. Get those. And see where this is like this? Go in behind it like this and then just pry against it like that. Get it?
I think so. Okay, cool.
See? Get the back one first. See?
Mm-hmm. You look like you're about to fall asleep.
Give me those. Give me the ice cream.
What? Yeah.
What above your head? Except for your shifter isn't hooked yet. Yep, it's hung up. It's hung up. Just take the pry bar under there. Hey, there's my impact on top of the freaking transfer switch. catches.